If you really want to make money online, then one of the most important things is to build your own email list. Now you need to build some kind of list, because a list is not only an email list. It can be YouTube subscribers. If you have a lot of YouTube subscribers, Instagram or TikTok followers, all of those can be called a list. But I believe email list is one of the easiest ways for newbies to make money online. And that is because with a big email list, you can build your brand by providing value and building a relationship with that list. So you'll be able to generate free traffic on demand. So anytime you need to generate traffic or get visitors to specific content piece, blog post, or an affiliate offer, you just need to type an email and send. That's it. And based on that, you will be able to promote affiliate offers or your own products, so you'll be able to make money at the end. So without building your own email list, it is almost impossible to grow your online business. Now, as I said before, it can be an email list or it can be any kind of list or followers on any social media platform. But I believe the email list is the easiest and the most newbie friendly way to start online. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com, and today I want to share with you a very simple newbie friendly solution to force hundreds of people to build your email list for you for free. Also, you have the option to generate unlimited viral commissions. Now, there are three basic factors for online success. And what I mean by basic factors, it is the minimum thing you need in order to have any kind of online success. Without those three factors, in my opinion, you don't have any chance to grow any kind of full-time income online. The first factor is you must build a big email list, as we explained before, because without that, you won't be able to get any traffic on demand. The second factor is you must know how to leverage other people's efforts, because if you are generating traffic or building your email list one-on-one, then obviously it's going to take you a very long time to build a tiny email list, which is not going to help you to build a full-time income online. You must use leveraging, either by leveraging other people's efforts or using some kind of leveraging tools. The third factor is you must know how to generate traffic, obviously, and traffic basically is getting people to see your website or affiliate offer, because without good quality traffic, you won't be able to make any sales, obviously. Now, the great news is today I'm going to show you how to apply those three factors in a very simple and newbie friendly way. So who can benefit from this system? You if you're promoting a business opportunity or any product in the make money online niche. You if you are an affiliate marketer, especially those who are struggling online right now and they are not able to generate any kind of reliable income. You if you're a total newbie looking for a realistic, proven way to make money online, this is also for you. So how to get started? I have created a step-by-step training to show you how to do this. So to get started, just scroll down and start from the next video, which is going to be step 1, and I'll see you there.